I am the Senior Vice President of AI Strategy, Partnerships, and Go-to-Market Operations here at Yellow.ai. My role is basically twofold. One is to drive revenue through partnerships and exploring new routes to market. And the second one, which is obviously close to my heart, is driving the operational rigor across sales, marketing, customer operations, and across the company, just to meet our simple financial and strategic objectives, if you will. Overall, as you know, my journey has been a wild ride. I've seen an IPO, I've seen an acquisition, I've been part of hypergrowth, I've been part of small to large companies, large public companies like SAP and McAfee and Deloitte, to a lot more smaller companies like 8x8, like D2L that we took public, currently at Yellow.ai, which is a Series C fast growth startup. So I've seen a lot. The best part is I'm an operator, a builder at heart, and I've always run myself on one simple philosophy. If you're not learning, you're probably sliding. And what got you here will definitely not get you there. So keep learning, be a competitor, keep raising the bar. That's who I am. And the way we incorporate AI, both in our overall strategy as well as in our product, is very multidimensional. Look at Yellow, our core job is to build AI agents for customer experience, customer support. So we are in the thick of the things when it comes to AI agents. And the way we bring them to the market is, look, there's a lot of excitement today when we talk about AI with our prospects, with C-level, with the boards. And for us to bring that AI DNA into what we deliver to the customer, we are 100% agentic in nature. We try to bring the best of the breed with a multi-LLM architecture and with a very simple way to build constructive, useful, smart, intelligent AI agents, and we deliver it to the customer experience, customer support world. Just imagine, right? You're calling your telecom operator in the middle of the night. You dial their 1-800 number. Will they pick up the phone? You need an AI agent who can pick up the phone 24/7 to truly deliver good services. That's where the agentic AI comes in. And we truly put it inside our products so that customers can feel the value. An agent that knows you, agent that can respect you. You feel safe talking to them, whether it's on voice or a chat or an email. And more importantly, they can resolve not just your questions, but they can take actions on your behalf. Pay my bill, cancel my subscription, upgrade my subscription, pay my medical insurance, send me my W-2, reset my password. All of these things that today can be very hard to do or are very old, low-hanging fruits to be automated. That is where truly our solution comes in. So we bring in the layer of the agentic architecture with LLMs, with orchestration, with memory, with agentic RAG. We piece it all together, and beautifully you bring an AI agent experience that is second to none. Biggest challenge when you start delivering AI agents at scale, and look, we are also growing, we're also learning, the space is evolving very fast. But I think there are 2 or 3 real challenges that we see from outside in perspective, if I can say that. The first one, which I call as the AI paradox. And what I mean by that is, think of boards of directors today in every company are pushing for innovation. They're pushing for instant ROI. They really want real transformation. But hey, you and I know that real transformation takes time. Just go back 10 to 15 years when on-prem to SaaS push was the biggest thing. Fast forward to now, SaaS to AI agent or agentic consumption, as I call, is now the next big thing. So for companies, the big challenge that they run into is, how do you truly bring innovation and ROI quickly? But at the same time, building an AI muscle, as I call it, it takes time and trust. How do you start with AI in the right way? And how do you decide on build versus buy? Where do I start with AI? You got to be able to leverage the current data and use that to make it a productive, fruitful AI conversation. The good thing is, with some open source protocols like MCP, like the Google agent to agent architecture, There is a clear understanding in the market that access to data has to be standardized because soon, in couple of quarters, in couple of years, the number of AI agents that every company is running is going to be very high. What is MCP and how does it impact the companies as they go forward? The Model Context Protocol is really like a universal translator. Think of it as a game changer for interoperability, especially for AI agents. It's an open standard, which is to me like a secret sauce that can scale AI across ecosystems. So what skills will be needed for the future, especially for folks who are just graduating or folks only who are still in their mid-level career? I think the number one thing that I would recommend everyone is using AI, learn to be self-sufficient. And what I mean by that is be curious. If you're not asking the why, you will never get to the wow. Everything that we were doing in the past, AI can drive tremendous productivity in basic things. You want to be a software engineer? Try vibe coding. Try the tools available in the market from Cursor to V0 who can help you code. You want to make some cool internet social videos? Try the new tools in AI which can take your videos and make them really smart and social ready. Try the AI agent space, learn about it. The number one thing that I would recommend for folks graduating right now is embrace AI. It is going to be your friend and ally as you grow in your life and career. Keep learning. Data literacy is going to be extremely important. Everyone will need to be able to speak data, not just engineers. The divide between business and engineering is going to diminish over time, and AI is going to accelerate and bring them together. So you have an opportunity as someone who is ambitious, who wants to think big. You will be able to span from sales, marketing, customer experience, support, product engineering, product management. Nothing is off the table now. AI can make everything doable and possible for you. And as you grow in your career, figure out where you want to spend the rest of your life on. But start broad, think big, be curious, and definitely learn data. That is going to be the most critical piece of the puzzle.